Ready? Set. Lily, tell me. I see the
Everybody,
bunny.
can you guys say Happy Easter? Bubbles. Uh-oh, Mama's got bubbles.
I'm mad scientist.
You want to
Oh, the
wipe?
problem is the fan.
We might want to wipe some faces.
I'm mad scientist. Do you guys want more bubbles? Please. This is the best part of Easter is bubbles. Bubbles and chocolate. Hey, Liam, do you want more chocolate? Liam, want some more chocolate?
Want more chocolate?
Want more? I love chocolate. You are so my kid now.
No.
Yes, he is.
I'm the one with the chocolate beard. I got chocolate goatee. I look like LaRoe. Alright.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter!